Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing something different with this hair, but before I start I'm going to go ahead and use my edge control by Edge Effect and fix my edges.
Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain.
The hair I'm going to be styling today is from Jessie's selection, and this is like my third time working with this company. I really do like their hair, so I'm just going to see how much I like this one today. Inside the box I got a few things with the wig, including some headbands and other stuff that I'm going to be showing to you right now.
Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say,
This is the wig that I'm going to be installing in my hair today. As you can see, it looks like a U-part wig, but it's actually called a thin part wig. The curls on it are so beautiful, and as for me, I really dig a curly wig, so right now I'm really feeling this wig, but we'll see by the end of it if I'm still feeling it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little piece off right here where my thumb finger is, just so I could open up the parting. Now that it's opened up, I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on and see what it looks like. So after putting the wig on, like you see me doing here, guys, I realized it's not gonna work on my hair like this, so I had to rewind and come again and go fix my hair so this wig will work. So before I do that, I'm gonna tell you guys why exactly it wouldn't work like this. And I mean, I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip, but I'm just gonna explain it real quick. The hair has nothing to grip onto on my hair because my hair is laid down, really flat. So it has nothing to clip onto. And that's the reason why it wouldn't work. So as soon as I realized that, I went ahead and did what I gotta do to make it work. First, I went over the center part in my hair just to make it a little sharper. Now I'm taking out a small section on the side of my parting, and this I'm gonna go ahead and braid it down. Now with this piece, I'm gonna do a cornrow going back. I went ahead and did the same thing with the other side. Now I'm gonna pull it back in a bun on this side, and then on the other side I'm gonna also pull it back in a bun. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the pillow wine, say she give me feel my wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place.
enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb buck like them are watching. They are free of one thing. Bad man, what you say?
It's fake kills.
Okay, now that my wig actually has something to hold on to, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. Before I do so, I'm gonna go ahead and open the clips, and to do that, I'm just gonna push on the back of them, and that's gonna pop them right open. Now I'm gonna attach the clip onto the braids that I did in my hair. Then I'm gonna push down on the back of it to close it. And I'm gonna go ahead and secure all the clips onto my braids.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Now that I got them all secure, I'm gonna go ahead and secure the back of the wig.
Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time.
Here I'm just using my comb to push the hair over a little bit just so my parting will show up even better. And that's all I have to do to the wig to complete it. I went ahead and did my makeup, just to complete the overall look, and this is the finished look. This is what the parting looked like. I think it looks so natural. I mean, maybe you guys could make it look even more natural than I did, put in a little bit more work, but I think it turned out okay. I think it looks good. This is the back of the hair, guys. I'm really obsessed with how beautiful the curls are. Just so you guys know, I did not add no water on the hair. I did not add no moisturizer, no form of product. This is me wearing the hair straight from the bag, and this is what it looks like. Again, this hair is from Jessie's selection, and it's a thin part hair, and I'll go ahead and leave all the information on this wig down below just in case you guys are interested in checking it out. I want to say a big thank you to Jessie's Selection for sponsoring this video. Like I've said before, I've worked with them more than once and I really love their hair. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter